You see how windy it is? Seriously, I was like zero throttle in it on the way back, right? And like against it, giving it pretty much all its beans. Anyway, God, adrenaline rush. Check out other videos, check out the build video down here to this beautiful, amazing, luxurious, creative quad. It's pure sex. Check it out.
Leaving flowers on your grave show that I still care. Black roses and Hail Marys, I can't bring back what's taken from me. I reach to the sky and call out your name. Oh, please let me trade. I would. And it feels like heaven so far away. And it stings, yeah, it stings now. World is so cold now that you've gone.
I've been digging the crates ever since I was living in space. Before the rat race, before monkeys had human traits. I mastered numerology, Big Bang theology, performed lobotomies with telekinetic psychology. Invented the mic so I could start blessing it. Chin checking kids to make my point like an impressionist. Many men have tried to shake us, but I